Welcome to our channel, the AI Entrepreneurs, and this is Ramesh Danta, your host. And so, if you have been following us, you know that we publish a newsletter, AI Entrepreneurs newsletter, that comes multiple times a week. And we are happy to share the news that we have crossed 60,000 subscribers. So we are rapidly ramping up to go to 65,000 pretty soon. If you have not subscribed to the newsletter, please go ahead and subscribe to the newsletter right now. The link is below in the description. And so right now we should also see a subscribe button. All right. So today I'm very excited to share a new AI tool that we've been using to create stunning visuals. That has been a game changer for us, for our newsletter, for our content. And it is from Imagine.Art, and their website is Imagine.Art, A-R-T. Okay, so I'll be going over their app as well as an iOS version, and they also have an Android version. Okay, and the features may be a little different. That's why I'm going to iOS version. But another exciting news I want to share with you. So Imagine.Art is excited and delighted to give us a 50% discount to the subscribers of the channel and people who are watching it. So the way you can avail of this discount is by using the coupon code AI Entrepreneurs Army 50. AI Entrepreneurs Army 50. This coupon code is in the description below. So use it to get 50% off on their annual subscription. And I guarantee you will not be dissatisfied. You'll be very delighted if you do subscribe to the premium subscription. This is the the screen, my iOS screen that you're seeing. And right on the top is Imagine, and then type your idea. There's a prompt generator, and you could set a theme to whatever you're creating here. And we'll go through that later, tattoo art and all that good stuff. And then, so I'm scrolling on my phone. Okay, so if I do here, so if I stop here, there are 4 features you'll see: real-time gen, image remix, and generation fill, and batch upscale. And below that, you could start with some inspirations, the images that I've created. For example, let me start with some inspiration. Okay, so if I go and then look at this, I can start with this as my create your own. And if I go here, so the cool thing about this one is it gives me the prompt that is being used to come up with this particular image. Look at this: dreamlike art, model shoot style, extremely detailed, computer graphics, Unity 8K, full body shot. So it's a very extensive prompt. I'm not going to read the entire thing. So let me start. Just close that, and then let me pick another one. So let's say if I want to use this one: Star Wars fine art in the style of an Jim Lee and Paul Hadley, Gabriel. So a bunch of those things and short focus, right? So giving, and then this could be your starting prompt, and then you can add, delete to the prompt, and then do the stuff. Okay, so I'll not go into that, but that I found that it's great to start. So now let me go into real-time gen. Okay, in the real-time gen, so a beautiful portrait is what this particular image was created. So let me now keep changing of a cat, let's say. Okay, so immediately I get a cat, let's say, and then I keep changing it on the beach. Okay, so there is some issue here. Let me call it beach properly, so that yeah, so there is a problem in the beach. Okay, so once I fix that one, now suddenly you see on the beach, or let's say a beautiful photo of a cat flying uh, in a Superman, let's say, suit. So let's see. So immediately, so it keeps changing, right? So now you are only limited by your imagination of what you can create. So that is what real-time generation of an image. Okay, so that's what we did, real-time gen prompt. And then you could do image remix, right? So you can take some image and then remix with something else. So let me pick, okay, so whatever this is, I'm going to create my own. So, and then I could, again, right? So this I already showed you. So it says design a Steam someone could inspire explorer character, and then I could just instead of Disney Renaissance film, I could whatever do whatever, and then actually I can upload an image. So let's say I'll pick one from Unsplash nature or something like that. So let's say, and then I can bring it into my own. So that's what I did here. Okay, so create. Let's see what it can come up with. Yeah, so look. So it took an image from there and then used the prompt that applied and then came up with, so now I can generate more of. So now they inserted a character. So essentially, you could do a remix of different images with different themes, and then you can even edit it, as you can see, right? It's happening. So that was the image remix. And now, generative fill. So to get started, upload your image or select a sample, and then so let's say insert or remove objects using AI, right? So if I can take it, I can use the eraser that's here. I can erase the background. I can enter a prompt to do something. So I will not go into too many details. I just want to give you a basic idea of what you can do here. And then let's say, so you could use a different brush, and then you can play with it. You could see this is what I'm playing, so you could even pick different colors. Sorry for my drawing there, it's really not that great. And I'll show you the other feature that is available on the, and then you can do a batch upscale. Okay, I can open photo library, and then so I don't really want to do any of these things, but that's another feature that you could pick. And then you could select a theme that is given to you here, so you can play with those themes. You could do creative V4 different kinds of themes here, and then you could pick only that one with a prompt. Okay, um, and let's see what else I want to show here. We talked about get inspirations already, and we talked about the prompt generator here. And so hopefully you liked the video. If you liked it, please like it, and subscribe to our newsletter, subscribe to the channel, so we can get you more of this stuff.